Welcome to Norfolk Yacht Agency in Brundall, where today we are looking at a Fairline Targa 33 named Gormarlyn. This particular model was built in 1986. She's powered by twin BMW D636 diesel engines, which are 180 horsepower a pair. It's the large bathing platform at the rear with davits, fairly good access over the transom seat in there into the cockpit, and a fairly recent, really tidy canopy fitted over the cockpit area here. And the gel coat, all in fairly good condition for her age. Let's take a look on board. Once inside the Targa 33, you can appreciate how big a seating area it is. Wrap around in the aft end of the cockpit. Plenty of space to sit and enjoy the sunshine. Sockets in the floor there for the table, which you can take out from the inside. And a really nice fresh canopy, as mentioned. And twin helm seats on sliding brackets there. Really good view forward. Helm position here to starboard. Chart plotter, VHF, and engine instrumentation. The cockpit upholstery is in quite fair condition. There are little blemishes here and there, but for her age, very tidy. Take you down into the cabin. So in the main cabin, you can see it's a very large saloon seating area, which does infill to make a double berth. And then ahead of that is a smaller double, potentially, or a large single berth. Galley area just to the port side. Nicely fitted with a 2-burner gas hob, oven and grill just below. And then 12-volt fridge, microwave just here, sink. Fairly decent storage as well. And what is quite remarkable on this boat is the condition of the woodwork. Really nice light oak fit out. Very few blemishes or signs of moisture absorption. And door leading into the toilet compartment. Fairly decent size. Shower overhead. And then separate double cabin going beneath the cockpit floor. Extended under. Stowage for the table. A really good space and quite nice and bright with that light woodwork. Access down into the engine compartment just beneath the cockpit floor. Seating sections lift and fold. Let's take you and show you down inside. Very clean engine bay. So again, just recapping on this 1986 Targa 33 with twin diesel engines, BMW diesel engines, these 180 horsepower. Really good boat to walk around on the outsides with wide side decks, great pulpit rail extending all the way to the rear cockpit. Benefit of British built sports cruisers, obviously having these side decks in comparison to the American sports cruisers. But again, nice big bathing platform at the rear, easy access, fender baskets there as well. Available to view 7 days a week at Norfolk Yacht Agency in Brundall. Take a look on our website for full details, nya.co.uk. Thanks for watching.